Today, in this video, we are going to see the valuation of goodwill on the basis of super profit method and capitalizations method. Super profit method, the formula is goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of year purchase. Then after capitalization method by two way. First is capitalization average profit method. The formula is goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Second is capitalization super profit method. The formula is super profit multiplied by 100 divided by NRR means normal rate of return. Now let us look at this example. Investment of the firm rupees 80,000 and rate of return on investment 10%. The firm earned profit during the last 3 years rupees 20,000, rupees 24,000 and rupees 22,000. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of the 2-year purchase of super profit method and capitalizations of super profit method. Now we will look at the super profit methods of calculate the value of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill on the basis of super profit. The formula is goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of year purchase. Leave some space for calculation. Then after super profit we have to calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Calculate the average profit and normal profit. Leave some space for calculation. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Leave some space for calculation. Normal profit is equal to calculate on the capital employed. Normal profit is equal to capital employed or net asset. Capital employed multiplied by NRR means normal rate of return. Leave some space for calculation. Firstly, we calculate the average profit. The average profit in this problem, the profits are given last 3 years is equal to 20,000, 24,000 and 22,000. We have to calculate the average profit. 20,000 plus 24,000 plus 22,000 divided by number of year is equal to 3. Number of year is 3. 20,000 plus 24,000, 44,000 plus 22,000 is equal to 66,000. 66,000 divided by number of year 3 is equal to 66,000 divided by 3 is equal to 22,000. Average profit is calculated. Average profit value 22,000. Then after we have to calculate normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by NRR. Capital employed given in the problem, investment of the firm is equal to rupees 80,000. Normal capital employed is equal to 80,000 multiplied by normal rate of return given in the problem. Normal rate of return. Return on the investment is equal to 10%. Normal rate of return rate of return 10%. 80,000 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 8,000. Normal rate is equal to 8,000. Average profit we have to calculate, normal profit we have to calculate, find out the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit. Average profit we have to calculate 22,000. Average profit is equal to 22,000 minus normal profit is equal to 8,000. Normal profit 8,000 is equal to super profit is equal to 14,000. Super profit is equal to the super profit is 14,000. The valuation of goodwill, find out the valuation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of year purchase. Super profit we have to calculate 14,000. Super profit 14,000 multiplied by number of year given in the problem. Goodwill, the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase of super profit method. 2-year purchase means multiply by 2. 14,000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28,000. The valuation of goodwill is equal to 28,000. In this way, the goodwill can be calculated on the super profit method. Goodwill super profit method, the goodwill is equal to 28,000. Now let us we see the valuation of goodwill on the basis of capitalization super profit method. The formula is goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return NRR. Super profit we have to calculate already. Already we have to calculate super profit. Super profit is 14,000. Super profit is 14,000 multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return NRR. NRR is given in the problem 10%. NRR is 10 is equal to 14,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 14 lakh. 14 lakhs divided by 10 is equal to 1,40,000. The valuation of goodwill is equal to 1,40,000 on the basis of capitalization of super profit. In this way, we will calculate the value of goodwill by super profit method and valuation of goodwill on the basis of capitalization super profit method. Thank you.